Car gizmos and gadgets can prove quite costly, but the key is it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of time and effort, you can make your life a lot easier. In this video, we'll take you through 5 of the coolest car gadgets that you can have. From a multi-tool to a car steering wheel cover, these are 5 of the coolest gadgets for your car. Let's get started. Number 1. Caraide Multi-Tool 3X. First on our list is the Caraide Multi-Tool 3X. In the event of an unexpected engine failure, this innovative portable strong jump starter may be held in one hand and still provide enough power to jumpstart the vehicle. If you ever find yourself in a sticky situation with your car, Caraide is an indispensable tool. It's one of those tools that can do it all and is so versatile that it should come standard on every car in the world. The Caraide Multi-Tool 3X with its 8,000 mAh capacity may serve as a power bank for all your electronic devices and jumpstart your vehicle. The handy device can jumpstart a 12-volt battery and has additional features such as a seatbelt cutter, alarm, window breaker, bright illumination, and an SOS signal. A built-in 8,000 mAh charger provides portable power for electronic gadgets, an essential buy for motorists everywhere. Number 2. Hudway Drive Heads-Up Display. Heads-up displays, or HUDs, are any transparent display that provides information to users without distracting them from their current fields of vision. At first, the HUD was implemented so that pilots could gaze ahead while keeping their heads upright rather than stooping over to check their instruments. HUDs have spread from their original military usage to civilian planes, cars, and other uses. In a car equipped with the good heads-up display, you won't have to lower your head to look at the instrumental panel anymore. Number 3. Mojipic Emoji Car Display. Next, we have the Mojipic Emoji Car Display. With the advent of Mojipic, drivers now have a one-of-a-kind tool with which to express their innermost thoughts and feelings, show off their social standing and national pride, show off their enthusiasm for their favorite teams, spread good cheer, and become more friendly with their fellow motorists and the world at large. Mojipic is the first ever intelligent speech emoji device. You can use Siri or Google Assistant to send emojis and GIFs to other drivers to express your feelings. You may now enjoy driving more than ever. And what's more, you can set a heart to the cute person in the car behind you, a smiley to the helpful driver, or a message of support to your favorite sports team. Number 4. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. Next, let us introduce you to an option other than a spare tire. No longer will you have to wait for roadside help or battle with jacking up a little donut tire while you wait. In a flat tire emergency, using one of Slime's flat tire repair kits is an easy and quick approach to making repairs. You can choose from a range of different flat tire repair kit options from Slime. Still, the fundamental principle behind each kit is the same. A mixture of tire repair sealant and air is injected into your tire to fill up the puncture and get you back on the road as quickly as possible. A flat tire repair kit is the ideal way to keep safe in an emergency involving a flat tire. For people who are physically unable to change a flat tire, people who don't know how to, regular drivers, novice drivers, and many other types of drivers. Number 5. Keto. Turn your smartphone into a key. Next, there is Keto, the next step in evolution of the auto key. By letting you use your smartphone in place of a key, Keto makes accessing your vehicle simpler, more convenient, and more secure simultaneously. Keto makes it unnecessary to carry around or look for your car key because it performs all of the features now available on your key fob. In addition, Bluetooth communication between Keto hardware and the smartphone app is guarded by a highly engineered encryption algorithm known as AES-GCM. This algorithm is currently used on the most up-to-date and secure cloud platforms such as Google and Amazon. Only when your verified mobile key is detected inside the vehicle can the car be started when it's equipped with Keto. Keto offers a feature that is unparalleled in the industry: key sharing. You may make it simple for other people to use your car key by using the Keto mobile app, which is available for all platforms. Its encryption technology protects the process of sharing information. Keto is the greatest option for situations in which you want to share the family automobile or in which you want to lend your car to a friend. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do that right now. See you in the next video.